Today I'm going to show you how to change your clock to 24-hour time or back to 12-hour time, all right? On your Mac computer. You're going to do that by going to System Preferences, and so I'm going to go get there by going through the Launchpad. Once I get to the Launchpad, I'm find System Preferences right here. This little scrolling, I can't even say it, scrolling wheel. I'm not sure, but anyway. So once you get in there, we're gonna go to language and region. Okay, so we're gonna click on that. Once I find language and region, there is something that says time format right here. Okay, and it has a box that it can be clicked in. It says 24-hour time, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and click that. Now, when I click that, take a look up here at this clock right here. Okay, watch when I click this. It changes to 24-hour time. There is no PM right there anymore. It's actually 24-hour time. You can't really tell because it says 9 hour because it's only 9, almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So it won't show anything, to indicate that it's, past the 12-hour. But it is, in fact, in 24-hour time right here. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.